Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to see how to clean up data using query editor. So here we can see that there's text and numbers, and in our ledger we can see that there's a column only with checked numbers, and this is what we require on the bank statement, a column with only checked numbers. So what we do is we go to data, click on from table. It selects the entire data on the sheet, and we click on OK, and it opens up a new page called as the query editor, and in this we can edit according to what we require. So now you can see we need to edit the column 3, edit and take out the text from the numbers. So we go to split column by delimiter, and you see that hash is the last one, so we click on custom and say split by hash and click on OK. And here we can see that the numbers are on one column and the text is on the other column. We do not require the text, so we remove the text column. And here you can see that on the applied steps all the steps are saved, and even the first row we do not require, so we can remove the first row. So click on remove rows, remove top rows, and it'll ask you how many rows you want to remove. So I need to remove 1, so I say 1 and say OK, and the first row is removed. Now we need to make this as the headers, so we click on that row and go to transform and click on use first row as headers. And here you can see that the first row has become my header. And now you can see there's cells with null, and this cells we need to remove. So I click on replace value and replace null with a blank and say OK, and there the null is removed. This row is not required, so column is not required, so I can remove. And now my data is ready to be loaded and saved. So I go to home, click on close and load, and it opens back on my sheet with the cleaned up data. And we can do a bit of formatting here too. I'm just formatting the debit amounts and the credit amounts. Now we can see that on column C we have all the checked numbers that is required, and in the ledger we have on column D all the checked numbers, and this is what is required for the match formula to work. I hope you find this useful in your work. Thank you.